This one here is exercise 3.1 question 7, alright? Carol's farmyard contains both chickens and pigs. Carol knows there's 26 heads and 74 legs. 26 heads means 26 animals, means the number of chickens and pigs is 26. 74 legs, however, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to count up in legs. This is chickens, okay? 1 chicken, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. Going to stop there. Then I'm going to count up in 4s because that can represent how many pigs' legs there is. Okay, we have 4, 8, 12, 16, 18, 20, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44. Now, what I'm looking for here is, I'm looking for 2 numbers, 1 number from each list, that when I add them together, they'll actually make up my 70, they'll make up my 76. Do you see this number? These 2 numbers?
Yeah.
I'm going to go for 40 and...
48.
I can go for 44 and 30. Let's see if that works. 44 is how many? Pigs. 44 is 11 pigs. And 30 is how many chickens? 15. 11 plus 15? 26. That's correct. That is very difficult to do, however. To match up 2 numbers to get 74 and then make sure that that's the right one. We could have maybe had a different combination that wouldn't have worked. We could have had maybe 26 and 48, which wouldn't have worked. Okay? Now, what we're going to do next is we're going to let X be the number of chickens and Y be the numbers of pigs. There's
actually no need to do all that.
It does say in part 1 using guesswork, which is what I was doing. Now, this is the mathematical way of doing it. Yes? Next one. Let X be the number of chickens and Y be the numbers of pigs. Write down 2 equations for the above information. There's 2 informations. 26 heads. 26 heads means that the number of chickens X plus the number of pigs, which is Y, equals 26. The next one is the 74 legs. Each chicken has 2 legs. 2 multiplied by the number of chickens gives you the number of legs that are due to the chickens. 4 multiplied by Y, it's 4 times the number of pigs. This gives you the number of legs that are due to the pigs. This equals the total number of legs, which is 74. What I'd like to do next is I'd like to change this into minus 2y, and the third one to minus 52. And when that's minus 52, what's going to happen is we're going to get minus 2y plus 4y, 2y, 74 minus 52, 22. Y therefore equals 11. As we discussed before, 11 pigs, and there is 26 animals in total. That means X equals 15. There's 15 chickens. Sam has a total of 36 currency notes, some of which were 20 euro notes and the rest were 50 euro notes. The total value of his notes was 1,410. Express the situation in 2 forms of simultaneous equations. The number of notes is the first one. Let X be the number of 20 euro notes, Y be the number of 50 euro notes. X plus Y equals 36 notes. The next thing is the total value. The total value is 1,410. 20 multiplied by how much 20 euro notes I have gives you how much money I have in 20 euro notes. Add that up to how much money I have in terms of 50 euro notes, which is 50 multiplied by the number of 50 euro notes I have. Here are our 2 equations. What I'm going to do with this is going to multiply this one. This is where you might have lost me last time. I'm going to multiply that by minus 20. Okay. Then I'm going to change the number in front of Y to minus 20. Okay, so X, sorry. Just made it quick. So the next one, I'm going to change that to minus 20 as well. Okay. And then the 36, I'm going to multiply that by minus 20. And I'm going to get minus 720. Next thing. Cancel. 50y minus 20y. 30y. 1410. Minus 720 equals 690. 690. Divide 690 by 30 and we get 23. Y equals 23. We have 23 €50 notes. This means we have 13 €20 notes. Okay.